This is a super tarnished flute. Let's see what happens to this. So here's the main body. Here is the foot joint. And here is the head joint. Okay, that was 15 minutes. It's still bubbling just a little bit. The recommendation or the instructions say 5 minutes. So I think that's probably as far as I'm gonna go. The water is noticeably cloudier, but let me just pull the stuff out and let me see how I'm gonna do this. I have a paper towel here. Let me just pull stuff out and just set it on the paper towel. The water's still pretty hot. Still has the marks on it from whatever, those stripes. Ooh, it's starting to rub off. Oh, get some polish on there. Rinse that sucker off. This is just noticeably shinier. Marks are still on there. The foot joint. Yeah, I might be able to get that stuff off. And then the head joint crown, just noticeably shinier. There's a sachet, whatever chemicals are in there. I'm just gonna toss in the trash.